Hi, I'm Eric Lebluc from Ubeeko. I'm the CTO. And we do Edge Factory, which is a big data application platform for the industrial internet. So we target different vertical markets in utilities, manufacturers, infrastructure providers that have massive amount of data from sensors that they need to analyze to take the right decisions. So we allow to prototype fast and efficiently to develop custom stream-based applications on industrial data. Our platform, we have a server. We do the analysis with Spark. We have a library of application to build the web applications. And we do the full stack mapping from NoSQL to JavaScript. So the NoSQL we are using is Hadoop. And we offer a REST API for the front-end developer. We package everything in Docker so that it's easy to deploy. And now I will show you with the studio how to create an application in really just a few minutes. Okay, so it's not at the right size, but so I will use the wizard to create my application. So I will name it Meetup. I give the default package for the application. Okay. I add a user. It's my entity, a simple one with the name and the age, which will be an int. Okay. So now it's done. The application is being created. So I will show you how we describe the entities. So it's really simple. Just here, you have all that's needed to create the mapping between HBase and your JSON in the REST API. I will just add a little intelligence to the application, really a little. Okay. So here it's a controller. It is to add a route in the REST API. So the route will be age min. And what we do here is we get all the user, we take only the age, and then if there is sum, we do the sum and we divide by the size. So it's really simple. We have a more complicated example if you want after. So now I will start HBase on the computer, so in the Docker container. I start the server. Okay. And I will go to the dashboard. I hope it's ready. Not yet. Okay. So here, sorry, I don't see the whole thing. Okay. So I will create the table because the table is not there in HBase. Okay, and I start the application. So here it's a basic example. You can add a user, so I will add me. Okay. I add another one, a younger one. Okay. So here you see you have your users. You can have basic statistics, but here it's not really relevant. But when you have big data, it is. And I can show you the result of the REST API directly. So you have the raw keys, fields. And here, my route that I created. Okay, so it's not found. Cool. I will restart the application, just in case the root was not there yet. No, okay, so the demo effect. Everything seems okay there.
Save the file.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. So, is it okay now? I restart. Okay, and okay, so that works. Thank you. Okay, so I will show you rapidly another example that is already created here. So I create the tables. I have to feed some data. Okay, so yeah, I can go directly there. So here it's to show time series, and so you can add some. Okay, so okay, and then you can click zoom, for example, to show everything and move it into it. So that's all for the demo, and you can ask your questions now. Thank you.
Come on, guys.
I really like the technology stack behind this. My question is, who is your target? Like, who is your client? Who's supposed to be your
The
clients?
big industrial, like the big industries that have a lot of data from sensors and that need to do analysis on them. And what we offer is that as we can prototype pretty easily, they can look at their data and then they can create application in 2 weeks where they were using to use maybe 6 months or something like that.
Okay, thank you.
All right, then no more questions, but you can certainly talk to him later. Give him a hand.
Okay.